I had a child, no, the first grader, he had crayons in his desk. And he was driving the teacher crazy because all throughout class, what was he doing with the crayons? He had the desk and he was going, he was tipping the desk up and down like this, and the crayons are going, and they're making this noise through the whole class. Stop doing that, stop doing that, stop doing that. And I was like, oh my God, take the crayons out of his desk. So, and then he came back from recess and he goes, where's my crayons? I said, you can't have them in your desk because they make noise. Until you can stop doing that, you don't get the crayons back in your desk. You will have the crayons when it's time to use crayons. But I was having races with them. This isn't the time to have races. Period, we're done. He was angry, he was really angry. He sat there through the whole class though and tipped the desk, but didn't make any noise. So I was okay with that. I said, go ahead, you want a little piece of the control? Because kids, they want that little piece, the last word. You want to go ahead and tip the desk? Go ahead and tip the desk. But now it's not bothering me anymore because it's not making noise. And eventually we gave him 2 crayons back and said, hey, here's a couple crayons. The minute the desk starts doing this, crayons are gone. You know what he learned? To stop doing that. If he wanted the crayons back, he had to stop doing that. So it's a reasonable consequence. Sending him to the principal, keeping him in for recess, would have done nothing. No connection to the problem. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.